Hi, I'm Dr. Arif. I'm an NHS, a private GP with a specialist interest in women's health. I also sometimes appear on telly, but that's another thing. I have a huge passion around improving health literacy when it comes to perimenopause and menopause for women from all communities, but in particular with Punjabi-speaking South Asian ladies. I made a few TikToks around all things menopause, so head over to my page and check it out. My top 3 tips for women around menopause is that 1, please always keep a symptom diary. 2, please go online and be familiar with the nice guidance on menopause because it will inform you and prepare you for your appointment with the GP. And number 3, please don't fear HRT or hormone replacement therapy. HRT provides so much more benefit and the risks are carefully assessed for each woman individually. So let's raise the awareness around menopause and get better support for women.